Airport is one of the top 5 airports in the world, and Hong Kong is still a very strategic location in the world. So I think it's a very strategic market, and it provides very high visibility, and that's why we chose Hong Kong Airport. Victorinox has a lot of heritage, but it's also a brand that is doing new stuff. We're innovative. As a result, the unique creative possibilities of JCDecaux 3D motion art display, so it was the perfect match for our launch. JCDecaux is ultimately helping to maximize top-of-mind awareness for both Victorinox and create this synergy with Spectra 2.0. And they are able to translate our ideas into reality. My colleagues and I are eagerly anticipating teaming up with JC Transport again very soon.